first, I decided, and secondly, I started. I decided to start. I've been looking forward to this day for the last 32 days. So I'm just excited that I've made it. I made it here. I've been posting long form content on YouTube every single day for the last 32 days. This video I'm recording right now is day 32. So I'm just excited that I've made it. I made it here. I didn't have any doubt that I would make it. I'm just glad that the day is finally here. So I'm going to share the analytics with you. And because I'm sure that's what you want to know is like what's happened in these 30 days. I didn't start off with a brand new channel. When I started posting every single day, I've had my account for over a year, but my posting was like sporadic. I wasn't consistent with posting. And I wanted to really push myself this year to post as much as possible and have it be something I did like, I wouldn't say full time, but I wanted it to be something I did consistently. And so far, it's been every single day. Um, so, yeah, the hardest thing I think with posting every single day is coming up with the content, the type of content to create, and the ways to create it. So, just trying to be creative with the types of content. So, it's something that I have fun doing and also resonates with who it needs to resonate with. So I think that's been the hardest. But I've been enjoying this journey this so far. Like I didn't think I was going to enjoy it as much as I am. And it's been frictionless. Like it hasn't been, I'm not going to say it's easy, but it hasn't been really hard. It's definitely not as hard as I thought it was going to be. For sure, it's not as hard as I thought it was going to be. So if I wanted to post like once a week, I could totally do it. But being that I've been posting every single day, it'd be weird for me to post once a week at this point. I've just gotten used to doing it every single day. Like it's literally part of my routine. I wake up in the morning, do my morning routine, and then I just know that I need to record some content for the day. And oftentimes I don't know what that's going to be. Sometimes I do. Like today, I knew it was going to be an update video. And yesterday, I knew it was going to be a 45 locked in video. So, like days like that. But oftentimes, I don't know what I'm going to be posting. And I don't batch my content either. So, like if I'm posting today, if I'm filming today like I am, it's going to be posted today. I can't say what time it's going to be posted, but it's going to be posted today. So it just depends really how long it takes for me to edit because I like to record and then immediately start editing and get that loaded because sometimes it takes a little bit longer than I want it to take. So, with that being said, I really do like posting on YouTube, which is crazy because I am such an introvert. And if you would have told me this even 6 months ago, shoot, if you would have told me 60 days ago that I'd be posting consistently on YouTube every single day, um, I would have had a hard time believing you because I've always been one that was behind the camera and I only came to the front of the camera when I absolutely had to. Like it had to be necessary for me to do it. I think the fact that I'm doing it voluntarily like shows a lot about my growth as a person. Just being able to be confident enough to just speak and not really worry about who's going to watch and what the comments are going to be, who likes me, who doesn't like me. If you resonate with me, please subscribe. If you don't, I understand. It's all good. But yesterday, I tried something new with my content. I really like watching content from people who it seems like they just pick up the mic and just start talking, hit record and just start talking. It's like effortless. And I wanted to start doing more of that. So yesterday, like, was my first time of really trying it. I did try it with like my very first video when I started this journey, and that video did well. Um, and then I'm sure I tried it again a few other times, but yesterday I was intentional about just recording and doing very little editing, little to no editing, and just seeing what happens. And um, so far, that video is doing pretty good. For me, it's good. It has over 50 views in less than 24 hours. So for me, that is good. And then on top of that, I recorded it. I think it took me like 25 minutes to record, and the video ended up being about 23 minutes long, 24 minutes long. I'm not sure, but I did very little editing. Like, that's wild. Usually my videos are almost an hour long, like 45 minutes to an hour sometimes. And then I'm lucky if I can get like 10, 15 minutes out of it. So it just goes to show you how much I rambled before and how much editing I used to like have to, how much I had to like edit my videos prior. Yeah, I think now that I'm more confident in front of the camera, I feel like I can just sort of talk, and then if it's rambling too long, then I just sort of cut those sections out. But so far, so good. I like this new way of me um, just talking to the camera without scripting it. I might have some bullet points on my phone, I might not. Today, I don't. I'm just talking because I'm just going to share my analytics and pretty much my journey so far for the last 30 days. Um, I enjoyed it so much that I decided to start another channel. But the channel is going to be more wellness and lifestyle, whereas this channel is more like business and YouTube and tutorial type. So I just want to separate it because I know the audiences are a little bit different. Um, and I've been recording content for that. So, you know, me doing that other channel, I feel like it's not adding any more to my day because this is content I would have recorded anyway. So it's not, I don't think it's going to be any harder running two channels than it is one because I already have a plan as to how I'm going to run the other channel. So it's not going to be stressful, and it's not going to be daily posting either on that other channel. Um, but it is going to be more than once a week. I know that it's going to be more than once a week, but I'm not going to commit to daily posting. Um, and with the daily posting, I'm going to, today is day 32, like I said, and I feel like I'm going to just keep on going. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing it for. I'm just going to continue to show up every single day. And if I miss a day every once in a while, like so be it. I'll pick up the next day and continue. I'm not going to stress myself too much about that. I'm just proud of myself for doing it this long. And I'm so proud of the day that I decided to actually hit record, film myself, edit it, and post it. I'm so glad that I started because I know, and I know this for a lot of people, that just getting started is the hardest thing to do. We have all these things in the back of our head, like we're not ready. What if no one likes it? What if someone says something bad? What if? And all those what ifs, they don't ever happen. They really don't happen. So yeah. Um, I'm just glad that I started. I really am. I just can't say that enough. Like, I'm so proud of myself for starting because now, as the time passes, I know each day I'm going to have content for that. That's my hope anyway. I'm just going to have content for every single day because the time's going to pass anyway. And if I can have like almost 365 pieces of content in a year, that would be amazing. That would be so amazing, give or take. I mean, it's going to be more than that if I'm doing two channels. So, way more than 365 pieces of content. But even if I do like 350, or you know what I'm saying? Like, the fact that I created this much content for me to go back and look at when I get older, like, it's crazy to me. Like, I can literally document every single day of my life. And it's actually great for my son too. If he wants to just watch a random video of me, I'm sure he will not. Um, maybe one day, maybe he will one day with my future grandkids. That would be awesome. But this is just really for me to like look back at, even if it's 60 days from now, 90 days from now, 100 days from now. I really want to look back at these videos when it's been a year. So a year from now, I just want to see. So we're at 30 days. I'm at 30 days, 32 days. I want to see what has happened in a year. So I started February. I can't remember what day. Was it the 16th I made my first post, I believe? I believe was the 16th. Don't quote me on it. I'll have to see because February only had 28 days. So yeah, I'll have to see when I posted my first video. So anyways, I say that to say I'm just proud of myself for even starting. And that's the first and hardest step. And it wasn't that hard. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. So start that thing you've been wanting to start. Okay. So I have my YouTube studio pulled up. Like I said, I didn't start from like a brand new account. I had over 2,000 subscribers when I started. I wish I had the amount. And I don't even know. I wonder if I can check it on YouTube Studio because I'm going to give you the analytics for the last 28 days. It says for the last 28 days, I gained 122 subscribers. So right now my subscriber count, okay, so I have 2,585 subscribers. That's amazing. So 2,585 subscribers. Thank you to all the subscribers and welcome to my new subscribers. So 122 new subscribers. My watch time hours have gone up. I had 450 watch time hours. Views, I got 7,113 views the last 28 days. Now, as far as revenue, I'm not, I'm not monetized yet. So I can't share that with you. However, I can share how many more views I need, how many more watch hours I need to hit the 4,000. So to become a YouTube partner, where you're getting paid for your AdSense, yeah, when you're getting that check from AdSense, um, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I have over 1,000 subscribers. Grateful for that. And my watch hours are, this is for the last 365 days. It's 3,099 valid public watch hours. This is showing up until March 17th. So it's not like real-time data because that means today is the 22nd, I believe. So it's like it's 5 days behind with the watch hours. I'm at 3,099 watch hours out of 4,000, which means I'm going to be monetized soon. So that's so exciting. I'm going to be getting paid to make these videos that I enjoy doing. I genuinely enjoy making these videos every single day. And like I said, that's just wild. It's wild to me to be saying, to me, it's wild. Yeah, it's like I'm a whole different person. So I feel like my confidence is definitely increased. I think I speak better in front of the camera. I know I still look around everywhere, so I need to get better at just focusing on the camera. But I just feel more relaxed that I'm able to just hit record and start talking and not worry about scripting things out. Scripting is stressful to me. I don't like scripting my content. And I told myself, like, if I have to rely on scripting, like, this is not going to be sustainable for me because yeah, scripting is just, it's just not for me. I like to just do what I'm doing now and then edit pieces if I need to. So yeah, that's the update. I made it to 30 days. I am so proud of myself. 32 days, 32 days. I am so proud of myself. I'm going to continue to keep posting. because I'm really doing this for my future self. I'm going to look back as proud as I am right now. I'm going to look back, in 100 days and be even prouder of myself. But the most proud that I decided, first, I decided, and secondly, I started. I decided to start. Yeah, that's going to be your biggest obstacle. If you're trying to start anything, don't try, just decide and start. Decide and start. I feel like 2026, I hear it's the year of the fire horse. So that just means like anything that you want is going to be accelerated. That's how I'm taking it. Everything that you want, you're going to get, and it's going to be accelerated. It's going to be accelerated, but you got to start. It's like I feel like if you miss your opportunity this year, start setting your foundation like now. This is the year to set your foundation and your intentions, and keep that in mind every single day. Let that be like your focus every single day. What can I do today to make the future for myself that much easier? Do the hard things now so it's easy later. Do the hard things now, just get it done and eat the frog. If you haven't read that book, read that book. Eat the frog. I think that's what it's called. If it's not, I'll put it in the description, but I think it's called Eat That Frog. I think it's called Eat That Frog. But I read that last year sometime. It's a great book. I'm actually probably going to read it again. But I'm rambling, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Go do something your future you would be proud of. My name is Amina, and I'll see you tomorrow.